guys, TJ with DaVinci Solutions real quick. Just want to show you how to replace your inks and your maintenance box on the Epson Workforce Enterprise series printers. For your inks, you're just going to open this cover here. Then you've got your 2 blacks and your 3 colors. It's very simple. You just push it in, it pops out. It's on little rollers. Just pull that old box out, take your new one, shake it up, and then stick that back in there. Okay? Once that's closed, then you just close your cover. It'll go through its initialization process. For your maintenance box, you're going to open this cover here. Okay, down here you've got cover H on this model. I believe it's the same on all of them. You're going to open that and pull out your maintenance box. The maintenance box basically looks like the ink tanks, except for there's a little handle here, but the same size as the big blacks. So pull out the old one, stick the new one back in, close that, close your cover, and you should be good to go. Make sure you don't replace your inks or your maintenance box until the machines ask for it. It will give you a warning prior to needing them.